Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. While there's no official launch date yet, if history is any indicator, we might see it revealed in July, just like its predecessors, the Z Fold 6 and Z Fold 5. A July launch hints at a possible late July or August release. Exciting, right? Several sources, including Leica Panda Flash Pro, have hinted that production could start as early as May. This timeline seems to align perfectly with a July release. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Rumor has it that the Z Fold 7 will come with the same price tag as the Z Fold 6, starting at $1,899.99. During a recent earnings call, Samsung's Janos Reeve indicated that the upcoming foldable phones would have improved form factors and durability. So we're in for some exciting design tweaks. Speaking of design, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature the same screen sizes as the Z Fold Special Edition. That means an 8-inch foldable screen and a 6.5-inch cover display, compared to the 7.6-inch and 6.3-inch screens on the Z Fold 6. We've also heard that Samsung might ditch the digitizer on the Z Fold 7 screen, making the phone about 1.5 mm thinner. However, this could mean a thicker S Pen that requires charging. On the camera front, the Z Fold 7 is expected to sport the same 200-megapixel primary camera as the Z Fold Special Edition, a significant upgrade from the Z Fold SIX's 50-megapixel main camera. As for the other cameras, we might see similar specs to the Z Fold 6, including a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel cover screen camera, and a 4-megapixel foldable screen camera. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same one used in the S25 series, promising a substantial performance boost over the Z Fold SIX's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We can also expect 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. And while the battery capacity remains a mystery, the Z Fold 6 had a 4,400 mAh battery, so we can expect something similar, if not bigger. In this week's Galaxy Unpacked event, the spotlight might be on the S25 series, but don't forget about the next-gen foldables. According to reports, Samsung might drop the S Pen digitizer to make the Z Fold 7 thinner. This could mean users will need to charge their S Pen separately. Last year, Samsung's super-thin Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition in Korea skipped the digitizer, and no S Pen was included. If Samsung continues this trend with the Z Fold 7, they'll need to provide a separate input device. There's also talk about Samsung's triple fold tablet, which could debut in the third quarter of this year. The foldable scene is heating up, and Samsung might be lowering production by 40% due to the Z Fold SIX's sales performance. But leaks suggest that the Z Fold 7 will have a design similar to the Z Fold 6 SE.